3, 2, 1, you're gonna see it. Hey guys, it's Lucas Weber here with Ag Business and Crop, and today behind me I got the XAG P100 Pro. So we're gonna look at droplet size today and see what these atomizing nozzles can actually accomplish. So getting into it, the first and most amazing thing I think about the XAG is they adapted squeeze pumps for their pumping system. And it's a very reliable and a very consistent way of pumping your product through, because no matter if you go from a very low to a high density product, if it's very thick, then it's gonna keep that consistent rate coming out of the pump. Next, we're gonna look at our centrifugal nozzles, our atomizers. Everything like XAG is tough built tough, built to last. The beauty about this system is we have one single plate down here. So like the squeeze pump, if something thick is running through, you're gonna have less likely that it's gonna bung up because it's just dropping the liquid down onto this single plate. So the faster that these discs spin, the smaller the droplet size will be, and the larger the droplet size will be. So let's see what it does. So when I start up this app, you're gonna see the home. We're gonna go to me, go to my devices, go to P100 Pro, and we're gonna go to manual spray test. So before I go to manual spray test, quick note, we can see my diagnostics health index for my pumps. Manual spray test. So we are gonna start only the right side because one pump goes to one nozzle. So we're gonna start P1. And we're at a very, very low rate and a very, very low speed here. So let's just go to max. See, we see a very coarse size, droplet size now. And once we turn up this nozzle, the disc, I'll let go in 3, 2, 1, you're gonna see a very, very fine mist. And then you can just play around with all the settings. But that kind of gives you a very basic idea of what it's going to be looking like in the field when you're spraying, right? And the nice thing about XAG is they give you all the diagnostics so you can see what's going on with your machine, and you're able to have full control at all times and understand the machine. Other than that, guys, hopefully you found this interesting. And if you have any more questions about the squeeze pumps or atomizers, centrifugal nozzles, please give me a call or an email. I'd be happy to talk. Talk to you soon, and happy flying.